1989, then Soviet Prime Minister Nikita Khrushchev visit to the America. During this visit, the leaders of both the countries took positive steps to improve the relationships of both the countries. But unfortunately, on the 1st May 1960, U-2 aeroplane incident has taken place. Actually, U-2 aeroplane was the American aeroplane and it was the spy aeroplane. Spy aeroplanes are the aeroplanes of the army which are sent to do any investigation about the geographical area of the any other country. So America sent these spy aeroplanes in the Soviet Union, and the Soviet Union has shoot down these aeroplanes. On the issue of American spying against the Soviet Union, the situation has become again the tense. So the Soviet Prime Minister Khrushchev want America to apologize for this. Okay, he want that you should say sorry for this and you should promise that you will not do it again. Whereas America has not do this. So as a result of this, the international environment has become again quite hot. Next, the Cuban Missile Crisis has took place in 1962. On October 24, 1962, American ships has reached to the Cuba. Cuba was the area under the Soviet Union, and when the ships has reached the Cuba and the American rockets has reached the Turkey to take the control over Cuba, whereas the Soviet Union has created their missile base in the Cuba, but American has rejected the demand to move back from the Cuba. But as a result of an agreement has been reached between the Prime Minister Khrushchev and American President was there, John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy and Khrushchev has done the agreement that the Soviet Union will remove their missile bases from the Cuba if America will promise that he will not attack the Cuba ever. So under this condition, Cuban Missile Crisis has been solved.